So mobile number we have written, email we have written. We require to check the regular expression. Regular expression. The full name we are checking with empty is okay, but about the mobile number and as well as the email ID. Mobile number must follow a pattern. Email ID should follow a pattern. So for that, I'll give you then one line of code for mobile number pattern. Let us look into that. Okay, so this line, if you can try, write it, else I'm sharing in your chat. This line I sent you in the chat. Yeah, login. Okay, I send again. M pattern, you can write. Now come below and check inside if not M pattern dot test, not M pattern dot test. Which one? Mobile. Not M pattern dot test. If the mobile is not matching with the pattern, if the mobile number is not matching with the pattern, then is an error. If mobile number is not matching with the pattern, then it is error. So first you add this and after that write below. Now what this pattern says? This pattern says like your mobile number may start from 0 or may not. Mobile number may be start from 0 or may not. But if it is starting from 0, then okay. If not starting from 0, then the first character, first number what we have can be 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. Okay, can be 6 or 7. Mobile number start from where? Which number? 6 minimum in the market. None of the mobile number start from 5 as of now. So it's saying like the mobile number what you are writing, it can start from the either 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or even from 0 also. So if 0, then after 0 it should be 10 digit. If without 0, then it should be 10 digit. Including 0 should not be 10 digit. Excluding 0, it should be 10 digit. This line. This one. Validation.js. Okay. Overall code will not go. No file we can send you. Overall code will not go. File I can send you. File is coming to you. See it now. Validation.js will come in the chat. I will share this line also. Okay, hope added. Let's come now. Check the mobile number pattern. What it says. When we click here, it says error. Mobile number, we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will say okay. If I start with if I'll keep it as 7, it will say error. If I start from the 0, then also it will say okay. If I start from the any other number, example 5, it will throw the error, saying like it is not matching or it's become as a invalid. Okay, working. Checked. Mobile number validated. Working. Okay. Next, we can see one more complicated line for the email pass for email pattern. I'll share you this email ID. So, got this link, got this pattern. Now come to your code right below. Not ePattern.test. Not ePattern.test. Not ePattern.test. Email ID. If email ID is not matching on the pattern, then if email ID is not matching on given pattern, then is error. Then it is the error. Let's check now. Email ID is taking. So we'll go to the browser and we'll check like this. Email. Now we write anything and check. It says invalid. Invalid. You have to write @ and some ABC, then .com.co.in.edu. Now it says valid. So this way we are going to validate. Design we can change. Design is not matter. Design we can make it better. So first check functionality is happening. Email and mobile number. Email and mobile number. Save now. We'll add the next field. Little changes we can do here. Like this is jumping here there when we enter the value. After that, you can see page is jumping here there. So little HTML part also we can modify. Because error we have printed in the same line. We have not printed in the new line. That is the reason. So error you can print in the p tag. Error message what we are printing. If you put in the p tag, then p tag will print in the new line. P tag will print in the new line. P tag will print in the new line. Right? We'll come down. P tag open and P tag close. So automatically the error message what is coming, it will not break the line, it will just go to the new line. You can see something like this. Still it is okay somehow. In the table we can write the TR, we have written V align top, we can write V align, V align, V align equal to top, 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 so that content what is shifting in the bottom, it will not be like that. It will be maintained, it will maintain the position properly. See like this. When we write here, this message will come down and it will be. When we enter, this two message will go. So please keep in the P tag, and for TR write V align top, vertical align top everywhere. Then next we'll add for the drop down field. We can add for the text area. We can add for the pin code. We can add something else. Okay, ready? Now what we will do is little more changes we'll do. The name and mobile number we can keep in one row. Name and mobile number will keep in one row. So you can see here name and mobile number. This TR, one open TR and one closed TR. If you delete, then it will come in the same row. So this part, see, I remove that. So what will happen now? In one TR, you will have total 4 column. In one TR, you will have total 4 column. In one TR, there will be 4 column. See, 2 are coming. Email. Let me see you like this. Password will add here. Let's go now. In the next year, third year, add one TH. Password. Add one more TD. Input type equal to password. On change, we have to do further next. So first to write a field password, then we'll come to the HTML part. Sorry, JS part. In JS part, Done that. Password is coming. Now for that we required function and we required remaining things. So go up first under the JS part and create a variable. Let password peak password. User state empty. Let pass error update pass error. User state empty. Next we can write the condition below, and after that we can go ahead with the right. Done. Come down. Check now. If the password, if password equal to empty or password dot length greater than 8, greater than 8, greater than 8, or password dot length less than 6, update pass error. Please enter 628 password. That's else update password, update pass error, empty. Okay, hope written this. Okay, come down next. We have a function called pick password and next called password error. Variable we have called pick password and then password error and password, three things we need to call below. So for password field, you will write on change obj pick password dot target dot value. Next, after that, write a p tag. Here you write call password error, pass error. Okay, ready? Three error y. It should give error here, no? Okay, empty have the error. No, okay, still error. Right, once we enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it will be okay. Password is also working. Next, we need to write the next TR for the address purpose. Text area. Text area. Write the next TR. Working till password. Write V align top. TH. Address. PD. Text area open. Text area close. For this, false span will be 3. false equal to 40, 50, rows equal to 4, 5, something like this. Little bigger, 60 nearly. 65, 64. Okay. 63 is the match. Everywhere it will work. Now address is also required. Can you write an empty case for address? How you are written for name? Possible. For address, can you write the empty validation? How we wrote for name? Possible. Please write it. Trying, writing. Name for address. Okay, very good. We can write here call address, peak address, address error, update address error. Come down. Now write for address. If address empty or address dot length less than less than 20 or 25 character. Address dot length less than 25, then update address error. Please enter full address. Else this way. Now come down below. Pick address function you can call. So this we wrote here. The address validation purpose. If address is empty, then also error. Address dot length less than 25, then also error. Will on change and all validating address block. I'll come down and we'll write here again on change for the text area. On change equal to obj. Right inside call pick address, and inside that again obj dot target dot value. Next again after this text area, we'll write a p tag. Inside we can display under the I tag. We can display that. Which one? Address error. Address error. Like this. When we click here, it will say please enter full address. Email ID already given, because of that it is showing something. Now I'll clear all and then submit here. Everywhere it says enter valid. Okay, next add one more field below, checkbox. In checkbox, how we'll do is on change. Okay. Write a checkbox. TR, TH, Instead of th, write the td. Call span equal to four. Here call span s should be capital. Input type equal to checkbox. Every on terms and conditions. Like this, checkbox will come. We can keep here for PD align as a left. Align equal to left. It should be left align. It's coming by default in center. Align as a left. We need to validate for this also. Okay, come down to the JS part now. In the JS part, what should happen? Checkbox will be by default unchecked. If user click here, one message will come here. Please select the terms and condition. We require to go under the JS part now again. And you write on the top a variable left TNC pick TNC use state left TNC error TNC error update TNC error. Use state come down write the CS condition for TNC. TNC Okay, so write this first two variables, TNC error, pick TNC and update TNC error. Come down, write for TNC. If TNC, if TNC not equal to true, TNC not equal to true, TNC not equal to true, then update first that update TNC error terms and conditions are required. Terms and conditions are required. For my status equal to false, else update TNC error empty. Come to the code now. HTML part. We need to call the pick TNC and TNC error we can print. Checkbox on change. OBJ pick TNC OBJ dot target dot checked CHECKED checked. After that below you can print in a p tab TNC error. Ready? Let's check now. So we can go here and click on button. It's not checked. If you check it, it will go uncheck. Because for checkbox you can't write value. For checkbox you have to write dot checked. If it's true, then selected. If it is false, then not selected. So you can practice this little. If you one example you create and leave, it's not meaning you have learned it. Okay. Little, twice, thrice we need to create similar form. Contact us form, inquiry form, login form, register form. Create and apply the validation. Create and apply validation. So 3-4 times if you do, then flow will be clear. Okay. Now come. One more line you have. Right in the last. If form status is, if form status false, then form status false, then form status false, then keep a alert here, or we have one message on the top. Update MSG. Invalid form input. Invalid form input. Else update message. Please wait. Process. Please wait. Submitting to server. Please wait. Submitting to server. Next, the message we can print here in a p tag. MSC. Okay, so ready? Check now. What error message appear? Invalid form. If you enter everything properly, then it will say, if you enter everything properly, then it will say, please wait, submitting to server. Please wait, submitting to server. Okay, if anything is invalid, it will say invalid. Failed, submit, submitting to. Okay, working. I'll share this file again in chat. If error, you can use this file.